Welcome to Free Coding Academy's Unit 10 review video for Computer Science A. So Unit 10 is called Recursion. Topic 10.1 is also called Recursion. So a recursive method works by calling itself over and over again. So to avoid infinite recursion, you must include a base case that ends the recursion and returns a result. So each recursive call creates its own local variables and parameter values. These parameter values help track the recursion's process, similar to how loop variables work. So you do not need to know how to code recursive methods, just how to trace them. Recursion is often used to process elements in strings, arrays, and array lists. So this is an example of recursion. So here, public class string reverser, public static string reverse, you're passing in a string called s. So if s.length is less than or equal to 1, return s. So this is the base case. So a single character or empty string is its own reverse. So therefore, it's just going to return that. Otherwise, it's going to return reverse s.substring1 plus s.char at 0. And so this is the recursive call because you're calling the method reverse from within the method reverse. And so within the main method, you have a call to the reverse method when you're passing in parameter string hello. Right. So when you execute this call inside system.out.println, it's going to pass in hello, and it's going to check this. And since the length of hello is not less than or equal to 1, it's going to go over here, and so it's going to call reverse with s.substring1, so ELLO plus s.char at 0, which is h. So you're going to have LO and then h at the end. Right? And it's going to keep doing this until you have this string reversed, and it's going to output OLLEH, or hello reversed. Next, topic 10.2, recursive searching. So again, binary search, which we mentioned before. So it can be implemented using either a loop, iteratively, which we saw before, or by calling itself recursively. So this only works when data is sorted in order, and it begins at the middle of the array or array list and repeatedly cuts the dataset being searched in half until the target is found or the entire dataset has been traversed. So binary search is usually more efficient than linear or sequential search, especially with large datasets, and especially when they're ordered. Finally, topic 10.3, recursive sorting. So merge sort is a recursive algorithm used to organize and sort elements in arrays or array lists. So usually with all of these different algorithms, especially with recursive ones, you don't need to know how to actually code them. You just need to be able to identify them, know how to trace them, and understand them. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and please be sure to check out my other videos.